Good morning, and welcome to Transforming Earth Together. And I have decided to start this teaching based on, to expand on the dissertation that I wrote when I received my doctorate degree. And the topic was advancing the evolution of human potential and spirit consciousness in pursuit of mind mastery. I have been on this journey for a very long time and seeking answers. I have searched, researched, looked for anywhere, every book I can get my hand on, every book, not just book, but movies and everything. So I thought, well, maybe if I get a little deeper into this. And so this is why I pursued a degree in metaphysical science. Here's me getting my degree. And the funny thing was that once I had the degree, I did nothing with it. And I kind of let it sit there because I'm also an entrepreneur and I'm a magazine publisher and I was in so many different things. But the call kept coming. It kept tugging and tugging and tugging at me. And finally, through other source, obviously, sometimes when you don't listen to your own message, then source is going to send someone else. And source did, and send a really close friend of mine who just recently made a comment, which is a comment I've heard before, chose to not listen, but this time it really resonated. This time it really connected. And I thought, okay, what is it that you want me to do? And I sat there, I listened, and here I am. And I will share my story with you. But first, I think let us sync up our energies. Let us take a moment to connect with our higher self, with the universe. I am going to read a little prayer treatment from my prayer treatment book for health, wealth, peace, and joy, so that we can synchronize and have a prayer, affirmation prayer for the healing and well-being of our bodies. So get comfortable. If you're sitting up, plant both feet on the floor, or you can cross it. Put your hands on your lap, facing up, or you could put one on your heart chakra and one under your navel, because we're doing this prayer for your body. Okay, so let's take a deep breath. I want you to close your eyes gently. Make sure you're in a nice, comfortable place. And we're going to start our prayer right now. I dedicate this day to God within me, the true self of my being. It is the power of God working through me that lives in me this day. I turn away from the outer world that surrounds me so that I may enter the quietude, solitude of my inner being, a world without beginning or end. I send love, peace, and blessings to all parts of my body, every organ, every skin surface, every cell, and every nucleus within me. I am whole. I am healed. I am healthy. I am complete. My mind, which is in direct communication with the God power presence within me, is already at work healing me from the inside out. From the top of my head to the sole of my feet, to the inner bright light dwelling inside me, filling all space and crevices within each cell of my body, healing, adjusting, restoring to the perfect natural rhythm intended by the great designer of the universe, expressing perfect health in my body. If a particular part of my body needs healing at this moment, I send that bright, radiant light of healing energy to all active cells in that area, readjusting the energy flow and the energy activity into perfect harmony, aligning with the universe, with nature, and with God. And so I move with the creative process within me. As the creative process flows through me, I open my soul to that flow that affects all areas of my physical body. All levels of my mind exist as multidimensional beings, bringing healing to any trauma, any karma, or anything else that exists within me that needs healing and energy adjustment. Right here, right now, that light lives within me in perfect harmony, bringing me perfect health. And as I feel this now, mentally, physically, and spiritually, my soul is at peace. My soul is in a state of divine harmony. Around my body is an aura of pure, white, beaming, Christ-like light, protecting my body from any disruption from exterior sources, leaving me healthy and whole. I am as perfect in physical body and mind as the creative presence of the universe dwelling within me. I am still. I am present. I am one with the universal God mind. For this realization and acceptance of healing, health, wholeness, and all levels of my beingness. For this, I give thanks. I let it be so. And so it is. And you may slowly open your eyes.
Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe to my channel Dr. Karina Felix for more videos.